Trudy's saying I get more sales with manual campaigns. That's generally the case. Auto campaigns, really quickly, how you want to utilize auto campaigns, they're discovery campaigns. So you want to launch the auto campaign. I generally, what I do is I launch them, I let them run for 2 weeks on a very aggressive bid. And then I pull my search term report and see what keywords have converted. And then you take those keywords that have converted and then bring them into a manual campaign. That's kind of how those two types of campaigns work together. Generally, you should be getting better ACoS in your manual campaign. If you're not, then it's not set up correctly.
Yeah, and you do want to make sure a lot of people, they bid very low with their auto campaigns. And if it's really, really low bids, Amazon is not going to show your ad as much. So people say, well, I did an auto campaign and it didn't work. Well, if your suggested bid, if you're trying to get sales on we talked about CBD products, right? $4 is the minimum suggested bid. If you're bidding 75 cents as your default bid there on your auto campaign and your daily budget is only, $10, well, you're not going to get any traction on that initially. So as Andy said, he's bidding very high in the beginning because he wants to see which data converts. Remember, if you're bidding super low and your budget is super low, when you're running those auto campaigns, your ad placement is going to be super low. So you're not going to get a lot of clicks and you're not going to get that data that you really need to understand the customer's intent to buy for those keywords. So definitely, I understand in the beginning, you should be planning that into your launch budget to be able to spend that extra money on PPC so that you can get that golden data to target later in your manual campaigns.
Yep, absolutely.